So you just received your new vehicle and you're looking to pair your phone with the Bluetooth in the vehicle to enable hands-free calling. We're going to walk you through how to do that now. Okay, first off, we want to get to the home screen. Now, each of your vehicles will have a home screen. It may look a little bit different depending on what brand you're with, but generally they all operate the same way. To find your home screen, you can look for the physical button in your car that has a picture of a house, or there's a button in the bottom left-hand corner. You can go ahead and press that. It'll bring you to either this screen, or if you press it again, it'll bring you to your home screen, which is your app screen. Once you're at this screen here, it's easy as pressing the phone button. And we're going to go ahead and click the Connect Phone button here. So this will bring up any phones that are connected to your car currently. You can see there's one that's connected but not currently connected, but we're going to add a new one today. So we're going to go ahead and click Add Phone. And in this point, we're going to bring up our smartphone. So either Apple or Android will work. Anything with Bluetooth will technically work. So we're going to go ahead and bring up our phone, and we're going to go to our Bluetooth settings on our phone. And we're going to scroll down to where your new device section would be. So right at the bottom, and we're going to look for the one that says My Chevrolet. Now, depending on what vehicle you have, it'll be My Buick, My GMC, My Cadillac. But for this instance, we're going to go with My Chevrolet. So we're going to go ahead and tap that right at the bottom there. And then we're going to get a notification on our screen with a code. And that code should match the code that has actually popped up on your screen in the vehicle. So we can see that those codes do match. So we're going to go ahead and click on Pair. And then we're going to go ahead and click Pair on the vehicle screen. And then you're going to get a series of notifications basically asking you to sync with your car. So we're going to go ahead and click Allow. And then if your car is enabled with wireless CarPlay, you might get this section pop up here to ask you to enable that CarPlay, or Android Auto if you're a Samsung or Android user. So we'll go ahead and click Continue here. And it should take a second, and we get one more notification asking if we want to use the CarPlay. We're going to go ahead and click Yes. And then it should automatically launch Apple CarPlay. And then we can go ahead and click on the home button, and now we'll see that the CarPlay app has been greenlit to say that it is enabled. If we want to adjust settings like what phone to connect first, or if we want to actually not use Apple CarPlay, we can go into our settings, we can click on the phones under the System tab. We can see our phone is now connected here. We can hit the I button for more information. And here's where we can set certain settings, like if we want this phone to be the first to connect, yes. We can allow this phone to receive calls when there's another phone listed in the cars connected. And then this is where we can turn CarPlay off if we choose to. If we turn CarPlay off, then now we can see if we go home that CarPlay logo is now unlit. And when we hit phone, it'll actually start using the car's phone settings. So that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below or get in touch with us here at the dealership. My name is Corey. We'll see you on the next one.